Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to do a little bit of a nail haul. So I have some stuff from Global Nail Supply, Cosmoprof, as well as Ulta. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start off with my stuff from Global Nail Supply. That is one of my local nail suppliers here in town, and I do get a discount for being a professional, as well as there's stuff for professional only in there as well. So here I got some more of my Young Nail files. I was getting the 100 and 180 grit files, but recently I've been liking the 100. And so they're these blue ones, and you can see they're pretty gritty, which I like them better this way because I feel like I'm gonna go in with a buffer afterwards, so this one really helps to take down any bulk and reshape. So I got a pack of those. And then I got a pack of my files. They didn't have the ones I normally use, which are like a slightly smaller white buffing block, but I got this one, and I've been using these ones, and these ones work just as well. Buffers are pretty all similar to me. And then I picked up some more of my Young Nails base gel. I'm like scraping the pot on my old jar, but I just get the small 15-gram jars of these. It comes in like 3 different sizes, and this is the smallest one, but I feel like this is all you need. Unless you're like really full time, then you can probably get the bigger jar, but this is all I need. And then I also got some more of my Young Nails forms. These are the forms that I use. You could tell I use all Young Nail products, and all of my base products are Young Nails. And then I wanted to get a flat-edged toenail clipper, so they had these rose gold ones in, and I was gonna give this a try, see how I like it. I got some more nail brushes in because the ones I have are looking pretty rough, so I bought some new ones. Yellow wouldn't be the color that I'd pick, but they only had yellow, orange, and green, which none of those colors I would lean towards, so I went ahead with yellow, but I don't know why they didn't have white ones in. And I got some more of my wipes that I use. These are the Gelish Wipe It Off Lint-Free wipes. Let me open this box to show you. They're not my favorite wipes that I've ever used, but this box comes with a ton of them in it. And they come in little packs, and they're super thin, and I do a lot of like nail art and stamping, so I'm like using these a lot. So these are cheaper and fairly good quality, and since I go through so many of them, I just buy these ones versus some more expensive ones. And then I picked up a new dusting brush. Let me open this one up. It's this pretty like flower pattern one. The bristles are super soft. I'm really excited to use this one. It's got a studded handle, and it looks really pretty sitting on the desk. I bought a new one because my old one is looking rough. It's very worn, and it's also fallen apart from the base it was in. This is all like, the glue is like crusted and come off, and it was just time for a new brush, so I got this one in. It's really pretty. I'm excited to use this. So that was all my stuff from Global Beauty Supply. They didn't have everything I needed, so I headed on over to Cosmoprof, and I'll show you what I got from there. So I picked up a new cuticle oil. This is from the brand Cusio. I don't know how to actually pronounce it, but I couldn't really find cuticle oil at Global, and Cosmoprof didn't have that many in store. They really had this one and the C&D one, and I really did not want the C&D one. So I just got this one. They didn't have all their scents in either. They just had this one, which I don't even know if it has a scent. It might be scentless. Let me check. It has a slight like oily scent to it, but yeah, it doesn't have a scent. But I like these big ones because they last a long time, and then it's got the dropper on them, so it makes it super easy to just drop it onto the nails. And here's my old one. It's actually from that same brand, but this one was pomegranate and fig, and I'm almost out. There's like a couple of drops left in there, but this one smells so good. So I was really sad that they didn't have much options, and they didn't have any at Global. I really wanted to pick up another one of the Halloween black cuticle oils. I gotten that several years back. I'll put a insert picture of what I'm talking about. But I get that one from Daily Charm, and they were sold out. So go figure. So I just went with this one, and this will work. And then also while I was at Cosmoprof, I picked up some of the Hemp's limited lotions. So I got their fall ones, the pumpkin spice and vanilla chai. Smells really good, smells like pumpkin chai. Also got their sugar vanilla bean for fall. These are going to be easy to like throw in my purse, put in my bedside table. I really like these lotions. They moisturize really good, and they don't leave you greasy. Like, it absorbs really nicely. We use the Hemp's line lotion at work for when we did moisturize our hands. So I thought I'd pick up the fall scents, and then surprisingly enough, they already had some of their Christmas scents out. So let me unpack. This came in a package of 2. It's part of their Bake Off, which is, I guess, their holiday line. And I've never gotten their holiday ones before. But we have a gingerbread cookie dough, as well as milk chocolate cherry nougat. And these are in different containers than these ones. But I mean, they're the same. The Herbal Body Moisturizer, Holiday Limited Edition. I mean, it's the same kind of lotion. I don't know why they're in different packaging. But I thought I'd get these because I'm sure these will sell out by the time I get to holiday season. So I have them here, and I can also put them at my nail desk and use them for clients too, because I don't take that many clients. So they can share with me some of the holiday scents. So that's all I got from Cosmoprof. I also really wanted to get some of my favorite dry shampoo, but Global and Cosmoprof were out of it. It's the Schwarzkopf Refresh Dust, my all-time favorite dry shampoo. And I can't seem to find it anywhere recently. They've been out for a while, so I picked up a Wella one, and that one's okay, but I much prefer the Schwarzkopf, hands down. If you have not tried it, you need to try it. It's my all-time favorite dry shampoo. Oh, so one more thing about the cuticle oil that I got. I just had a realization that since I got a plain one that has no scent, it's actually going to be perfect to go with all the Hemp's flavors that I got, because if I had gotten another like pomegranate one, I can't really put the pomegranate oil and then put pumpkin. I mean, I could, but it's just too clashing. I usually use a scented cuticle oil and plain lotion, and I just realized that I just went the other way. So it's okay that they only have this one, but I picked up holiday scent lotions, so that'll actually be a perfect combination. And I figured while I'm doing this haul, I'll go ahead and show you what I picked up from Ulta. just a few things. These are not nail related, but they are beauty related, and I was showing the lotions anyways. So I picked up a new foundation to try from Revolution. I've never tried this brand before. I'm not a big makeup person. I wish I could do makeup like really good. I try though, but makeup's just not my thing. I can do nails, I can do hair. Makeup's not my thing, and that's okay. I'm gonna try this new one, see how I like it. I have not found a foundation that I'm like in love with, so I keep trying new ones. And then I did pick up another one of the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. This is my all-time favorite eyeshadow primer. I've tried a million eyeshadow primers, and this seems to be the only one that works. I'm sure there's other ones out there, but finally found one that works. I'm gonna stick with it. I have really oily skin, and so if I don't use an eyeshadow primer, it's gonna be a hot mess within like an hour. So holy grail eyeshadow primer. And then this was the big reason for Ulta shopping. I picked up the Hocus Pocus ColourPop eyeshadow palette, and this thing sold out so quick. But I got my hands on one, and I thought I'd share it with you. Got the Sanderson sisters. And then look at these shades. Perfect for fall. They've got a lot of neutrals, but they got a lot of like other fall tones in there. It's so pretty. And I feel like this is really a versatile palette to work with for fall time. So excited to try this out. Again, I'm not a beauty guru, so I can't do that well with the eyeshadow, but I'll try playing with it. So there was my little haul for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Didn't get too many fun things, but I got a few little fun things as well. Some staples that I will be using. I have 2 different sets of nails on my hands. Both will be up before this video, so I will leave links down below for my fall plaid pumpkin ones. These were super cute. And then it's time to move on to Halloween, so I have these vintage skull ones to start off Halloween. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If I pick up anything else, I'll insert some more clips here of that. Otherwise, that's it for now. I hope you enjoy this mini haul. I plan on getting some Christmas supplies in, glitters, stamping plates. I really want to get a bunch of Christmas and holiday stuff. So let me know down below if you would like a haul of all my Christmas stuff that I get in. And then otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye!